Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. And today is October 29, 2021. And I wish you a happy... Yes. We are so thankful to God that He has looked out for you very well, health-wise and also mentally-wise. You still have a very good memory. You still know people. And we are so grateful that you still continue to take care of us bisag mga dagko na mining mo mga anak. So today, and you understand already that I couldn't come on your birthday. It's because of the circumstance, and since I can't physically go in there, I have a little surprise for you as my mother and also as a mother to some people whom you have touched some lives with. And I'm talking about these people like friends or some of your students, pupils before when you were still teaching daycare or kindergarten back in Malabuyok, Cebu. I know that some people have not recognized you for having been, and I believe, the first daycare teacher in Malabuyok, Cebu. But you told me that there was actually a female teacher before you took over. So, but then again, I still believe that even you, as a woman, as a mother, as a wife, you have really touched us and our lives, especially us, our children. And that is why this surprise video is no longer a surprise, but I'm going to be showing you people who would like to say their greetings and wishes for your birthday.
Mama Narsing, maayong adlaw na tawhan, kitang tanan magambahan kay karon ang kasumaran sa imong paghimugso ni ining kalibutan. Ang imong mga anak bulahan nga ikaw ang ilang nahimong inahan, nga anaa kanunay sa ilang kiliran kung sila anaa usab sa panginahanglan. Maayo nga panglawas, kinabuhi nga taas, sinako nga bugas o grasyang nag-agas-agas, mao ang akong wish para kanimo. Sa makausap pa, maayong adlaw na tawhan. Happy birthday!
Uban sa pinatibok ang pwersa sa Sairi 47, Ma'am Narsing, buot nimo greet nimo og happy birthday. Wish na ko nimo personally nga unta duna kay maayong panglawas, especially nga pandemic karon. Gawas ana kanang paliguna imong immune system ug ayaw kalimot sa pagsuroy-suroy. And don't ever forget and always remember nga you are loved by your children, most especially ni Jasper. And then hope to see you soon and God bless.
Maayong adlaw kanimo diha, Teacher Narsing Inso, sa inyong ibuok pamilya. Ma'am Narsing, ako din si Jesser, isa sa inyong estudyante kaniadtong 1993. And Ma'am Narsing, you are a very special and inspiring person who captivates everyone around you. I wish your day is incredible and full of positive energies. Happy birthday, Teacher Narsing Inso, and thank you, Jasper, for this wonderful opportunity to mag-greet na po si Teacher Narsing. Bye!
Hi, Ma'am Narsing! Happy birthday! More blessings to come, more candles to blow. Still pretty, still what you are. God bless you always, Mom. I miss you. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Hi, Ma'am Narsing. Happy birthday. I'm hoping and praying for more healthy years to come. Stay safe. God bless you always and stay cheerful.
Hello, Nang Narsing. this birthday. Wish you more birthdays to celebrate with your beautiful daughter, Jasper, and enjoy your day with your family and friends. God bless you.
Happy birthday ng nursing. Wish lang na ako nga hatagan pa kag more years to come ni Lord. Happy life and good health. Salamat kaayo sa pagpuyo nako sa una during my high school days. I know nga maayo kay ka nga tao.
Hi ma'am, maayong adlaw diha kanimo ug sa imong tibuok pamilya. Happy birthday. Ako di ay si J.Cal, imong estudyante ni adlaw 1993. Siling nga kaayo to ma'am, kay ako ang imong estudyante nga ana-ana sa sulod sa kindergarten mas tilak pa ang day. Naghuwat kanimo kay mao di ay dito ni agi sa koral. Sa koral na nag-separate sa ato ang eskwelahan ug sa ako ang gipuy-an. Anyhow, ma'am, dahang kaayong salamat sa mga kaalam o maayong pamatasan nga imong gitudlo diri kanamo. Ikaw ang among ikaduha nga inahan, Lunes hangtod sa Biyernes. Daghang kaayong salamat sa gugma o sa paatiman kanamo. Daghang kaayong mga activities na dili gyud makapaduka namo. Malingaw jud mi mo gyud giingon nga learning while having fun. Ma'am, I wish you the best in life, of course. More happiness, more love, more great memories. Once again, happy birthday and take care.
Hello, Ma'am Narsing. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Good health. More birthdays to come. I love you. I love you, Nicole.
Hi, Manang Nursing. Kaila ka pa nako. On behalf sa Insos family sa Camotes, happy birthday ni mo na. I wish you good health, more happiness, more abundance in life. All the best. Long live until sa kanunay.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Nursing. Wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy. Again, happy birthday. I miss you so much.
Layla, happy birthday. Thank you for the love and support and kind to Nila. Warmest wishes to you on this very special day of yours. May you live long and healthy life full of happiness. May God bless you with another year to celebrate as we celebrate this day of happy birthday. Once again, happy birthday La, happy birthday blast, enjoy your day. Sarangay!
Hi, Nursing. Mugrid ka mo og happy birthday. Og thank you kaayo dahil sa imong kayo diri sa mga pamilya diri sa Malabyok. O salamat kayo sa nga kay welcome kay miss yung balay katong napaka-puyo diri sa Malabyok. Since this is your special day, I wanna greet you and wish you more blessings, good health, love, and of course more laughter and more cakes to blow. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po.
Hi, Nana Nursing. I wish you a happy birthday. I know I haven't seen you in person. I wish you good health, long life, and stay safe always.
Hello! Happy birthday, Mama Nursing. I wish you all the best in the world. I hope that you have the best health. All the way here from Lapu-Lapu City, I wanna greet you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama Nursing. May God bless you with more birthdays to come. And please stay safe, stay healthy. Kaya na ako yung mga apo, daghan na kayo mga gusto makikita nimo. Happy birthday! God bless!
Hello, greetings from Sydney. Hi, Tia Narsing. Happy birthday. Uban sa akong pamilya, we wish you a happy birthday. Apart from Mama, you have always been my second mom since childhood. Thank you for being there for us and for being the strong woman you are. I sincerely hope you will continue to look after your health and keep safe always so we can have more fun times together. Once again, happy birthday, Tia, and have a good one.
Happy birthday, Tia.
Happy birthday, Lola Mars!
Happy birthday, Lola Lars.
See you soon!
Hi Tia, happy birthday! More birthdays to come! Ayok nga, makauli ka diri sa Mindanao. Ulat rami diri permini mo Tia. Love you Tia, God bless! Miss you! Happy birthday, Lola Narsing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Hi Lola Ma'am, happy birthday! Message nga ko is salamat sa love and care. I wish you all the best, good health, and many more years to come. Happy birthday!
I wish you happiness in life and more birthdays to come and candles to blow. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the love and support. Pag-amping permi, and God bless you always. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Narsing. Wishing you a many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Stay as you are. Way laing teacher nga ako ang nasugatan nga pinakakalma. God bless you always and your family also. Happy birthday.
Mama Narsing, this song is for you. Always sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy with cries of grace. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Okay, my
Happy birthday, Mama Narsing.
Happy birthday, Mama Narsing.
Please be healthy always.
Please be healthy always.
And I pray to God that you have more blessings.
Have more blessings. Why is my eyes like this?
Thank you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Narsing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ama. I wish you good health, long life, and then more long life. And I want you to be happy. I love you. I miss you, Ama. Stay safe because we still have to see each other. I love you again. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Narsing. It's so good and hope you have many more birthdays. I miss being there with you and your families, but I'm sure you're going to have a wonderful day today. And may God bless you and have a happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Wishing you many more birthdays to come. We love you and miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, love you.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. We love you very much. Wishing you good health and happiness always. God bless you, Ma.
Hi, Ma.
thank you very much for all the sacrifices kay mo ni Papa, and I wish you good health and stay happy. Enjoy the rest of your day, Ma. We hope to see you soon, really. We miss you very much. We love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord bless 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 you.
Pero happy birthday la, and hope you will get kuan.
What?
Second vaccine. You will get second vaccine, and you are well there and well here. Well you.
Second vaccine and also booster vaccine.
One and one. Ay, ang daan na. Sige,
Ikaw, Rob.
Okay. Security ko pa more power. Happy election. Happy birthday na lang. Ito yung mga nursing. Good health. Yeah. Second dose vaccine plus booster vaccine. Muna yung good health mo kitintan. O mo mura pa kang 50. 50 edad ba? Kaya dito mga matrona na magsisayaw po. Naputol man. The rest will follow next year. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for for everything. And thank you na nagpa-vaccine sa
Yes.
sa
Hindi naman siya mag-cry. Ako lang yung mag-cry.
No, I'm not going to cry. Why should I cry? Ikaw ka magtambo ka.
Bukray ka sa malipay ba? Kaya itong happy. Kaya itong malipay ba? Duha sa malipay.
Ikaw lang. Okay. And many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy. And
Hindi daw niya na kay Mama pa mo. Mama pa speak.
stay healthy. Happy birthday, man. I love you. 1, 2, 3,
Uy,
blow!
ka pa. Sumali ka pa.
Ay, Monica, your message to your Lola Ma. Lola Ma. Happy birthday. Wish you good health always. Auntie always. Love you. Auntie. Yeah. Sige, blow. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Tigas.
Ah, right.
10 yung lubot.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Oh, sa dinay cake. Pililit puhunan lang mo. Ang mo puhunan cake.
Bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love it.
Happy birthday la. Miss you, love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Mom. Happy birthday, Lola Mom. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola Mom. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday, Lola Mom.
I wish you all the best. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Mom. I wish you more happy birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Lola Mom. I hope you have the best birthday ever during this pandemic. Happy birthday, Pa. I hope you like this short video. This is the 5th take already. And I hope you have fun in your birthday. Thank you for all the love and for all the support that you have given to us. Even if I'm already married, you continue to guide me and support me in my needs. And you know what I mean. Thank you so much, Ma. I love you. And also, we love you, Ma. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Dai.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Naot nga hatagan kag maayong panglawa sa Ginoo sa kanunay o hatagan pag mas daghan pang katuigan nga magsaulog sa imong birthday. Enjoy na ta karon day kay nahuman na atong tas sa atong mga anak, pero naapay mga apo hinuon. Bawal ma-stress ang senior. Enjoy permi day, maglaag-laag ta unya og wa nay COVID. Kay boring na kaayo sige puyo sa balay. Pila na may imong edad karon? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Miss you. You're my friend forever. Love you. Happy birthday. God bless. Happy birthday, Inday Nursing. Kumusta ka diya? Ang sa inyong hikay. Kay umakay at hikay, inimbitado, ayaw malipay.
Dahil
Huwag kami imong imbitahon, di kalakaw diya. Kay wak may pako. Musa, musa diya. Kamuntanan diya. Alirong diya sa inyong lamisa. Happy birthday, Inday Nursing.
Happy birthday, Nursing. Hinaot ko nga, dagan ako nga, dagan pa nga, abot ko nga, sumaba. Hinaot ko nga, kita.
Smile. Ang invite na yung mga anak.
Dahil na muna.